The base 20 centimeters of a regular pyramid is a square and each of the other four faces is an equilateral triangle. The vertical height of this pyramid is okay. So two ways to solve the same question. Okay, what you can do is you can first drop a perpendicular. Okay, from the top. ये तो universal रहेगा दोनों methods में. You can drop one perpendicular from the top. Okay, now you can draw the slant height जो हमने discuss किया, right? Okay, and if you join the slant height, okay, slant height का जो point है where the side meets the slant height, this particular point, and the point where the perpendicular meets the base area. Okay, when you join these 2 points, you will observe that I have formed a right angle triangle, right? Okay, guys. Now, guys, for this right angle triangle, okay, we need to find out the hypotenuse first. उसके लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, guys? We know that the base of the regular pyramid is 20, right? And each of the other four faces an equilateral triangle. अगर ये equilateral triangle है, guys, तो अगर इस base का length 20 है, तो इसका भी length 20 होना चाहिए. That's why I've written 20 over here, right? So if this length is 20, guys, and the triangle is equilateral, okay, ये वाला angle 90 हो जाएगा, and ये वाला angle हो जाएगा 60. Okay, so I hope you can figure out a triangle over here. Okay, this triangle. Okay, now in this triangle, guys, you know the hypotenuse, then the altitude will be root 3 upon 2 times the hypotenuse, which is 10 root 3, right? Now also you can find out this bottom line here, right? This bottom line length will be how much? Okay, the complete side of the square is 20. Uska आधा कितना हो जाएगा? 10, right? So the smaller part of this right angle triangle here is 10. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, अगर hypotenuse 10 root 3 है और एक perpendicular side 10 है, what is the other perpendicular side? It will be square root of 10 root 3 square minus 10 square, right? So this will be 3 into 100 times 300 minus 100, 200. So root 200 will be 10 root 2. Okay, and that's the required answer here in this case. That is 10 root 2. Okay, one more way of doing this, guys. Again, you drop the perpendicular or the altitude here in this case. Okay, and now what you do is instead of drawing the slant height, you join this vertex with the altitude wala point here. Okay, so you'll get something like this. ये भी right angle triangle ही होगा, right? उसमें से hypotenuse will be 20. Okay, now guys, अगर मैंने पूरा line join कर दिया, okay, if I join this entire line here, okay, ये वाला side 20, ये वाला side 20 है और ये वाला angle भी तो 90 है, right? So the entire length here will be how much? The entire length here will be 20 root 2. Okay, अब guys, by symmetry, ये वाला part जो होगा ये 20 root 2 का half हो जाएगा, right? Which is 10 root 2. Right? So again, you can spot this right angle triangle over here. Okay, this right angle triangle. Okay, in which hypotenuse is 20 and this side is 10 root 2. So what is the required answer? It's also 10 root 2, right? You can apply Pythagoras theorem or you can apply 45, 45, 90, whichever you like, whatever suits you. Answer will be 10 root 2. Okay. An ice cream in the shape of a right circular cone is cut parallel to its base into 6 slices, all of equal heights. What is the ratio of the sum of the volumes of the two middle slices to the original uncut cone? All right. So this is your ice cream cone. Okay, इसको हमने cut किया है 6 parts में. Okay, all of equal heights. मैंने पूरा height suppose मान लिया guys equal to 6 units. So हर एक piece का height कितना हो गया? 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Okay, all these sections, all these smaller pieces have heights equal to 1 unit. Okay. अब हम क्या करेंगे guys? Let's see what I'll be doing. I'll first find out the ratio of volumes of the first 4 pieces. Okay, the first 4 pieces to the entire cone. Okay, so ratio of volume क्या होगा guys? Cube of the ratio of their height. So for the first 4 cones for the first 4 parts, guys, the ratio of the height will be 4 units. So ratio of height for these two will be 4 by 6. उसका cube क्या हो जाएगा? 64 by 216, right? Okay, don't cancel out anything right now. Okay. Next, guys, what I will do is I'll find the ratio of the volumes of the first 2 pieces and that of the complete cone. Okay, the first 2 pieces, guys, the height will be how much? 2 units, right? So just putting it here as 2 units. Okay, and for the bigger cone, the height is 6. So ratio of volumes is 2 cube upon 6 cube, which is 8 by 216. अब हम क्या करेंगे guys, since हमने ratio ही पूछा in the end, right? तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं, बड़े वाले कोन का वॉल्यूम मान लेते हैं 216 only as such. Okay, and for the cone with the first 4 or for the top 4 parts or top 4 parts of the particular ice cream, okay, the volume we take it as 64. Similarly, अगर पूरे cone का volume 216 है, the first 2 pieces will have volume equal to how much? 8 units, right? From here you can take it as 8. Okay, now observe carefully what I'll do, guys. From the volume of the first 4 parts, okay, or from the first 4 parts, I will simply subtract the top 2 parts. Okay, yellow में जो दिख रहा है अभी. Okay, and then I will get the volume of the blue वाला region, the middle 2 parts जो मैं question में पूछा है, right? So volume of the first 4 parts is how much? 64. And for the top two parts is 8. Difference is how much? 56. So the middle two slices ka volume is 56 units. For the entire code, it's 216. The required ratio is 56 is to 216. Cancel out 8 on both sides. You get 7 is to 27. As simple as that.